All I can say is be proud of your Toka lineage. Be proud of your Toka lineage, who were proud people, staunch in church business, staunch in tribal affairs, staunch in Māoritanga, and staunch at loving their whānau and trying to do well for their whānau and their iwi. So be proud of your Toka lineage, be proud of your te uri o hautanga. Carry it out in the world. Whether you're in Northern Territories, whether you're in America, when you walk past Obama, te uri o hau. And be proud of your Ngāti Whātua tanga. A lot of us live in Tāmaki Makaurau. Don't sit in the corner and think you're just a normal Māori in the street. Hell no. You are tangata whenua of Tāmaki Makaurau. The Davises, the Talbots and those Lewities up at Orake, all their grannies are first cousins to this lot here. Those are our people. Be proud of your Ngāti Whātua tanga. And all those other whakapapas you've got as well, your Ngāpuhitanga, your Tūhoitanga, your Te Rarawatanga. But when you're in Auckland, Ngāti Whātua. So be proud, and I suppose to the cousins, let's do it again in 20, 25 years' time. For sure. So let's send it back to our old people. Blessings to us all.
Kia ora.
And may we love each other, be good to each other, smile at each other, and wave out, shake a hand when we walk past each other. They say, oh, that's my cousin. When he's getting pulled up with no Rego and no Warren. Pull over, might get a ride after the ticket. So love each other, be good to each other, be good to our kids and our mokopuna. We can see what the ohaki that's been left behind, the legacy. And I can see it in all this whānau here. So carry on that legacy and have a good 2015 and all the many years in front of us. Blessings to our old people and blessings kia tātou katoa. Kia tātou katoa. Tūturu whakamaua kia tīna. Hui e. Give it back to our old people. Kia ora tātou.